Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I'm your trainer Grahan, and you all are here on English Learning Point. So, I have already taught you guys about the tenses, that what the tenses are. So we cannot move further if we do not know the tenses well. As I'm teaching here the direct and indirect speech, today I'm going to start it just because of this, because we have learned about the tenses. It's all about the tense. If we know the tenses well, then we can move further, then we can know about our direct and indirect speech. Okay, so first of all, I would like to let you know that what is direct speech and what is indirect speech. Direct speech refers to the actual words of the speaker without any change. For example, she said to me, I'm going to home. Like, she said to me, I'm going to home. This is a direct speech. Here I'm saying like उसने मुझसे कहा कि मैं जो हूँ घर जा रही हूँ, तो ये हमारा direct speech है. She said to me, I am going to home. This is direct speech. Okay. The introductory or reporting verb said separated by a comma from the reported speech, which is inside the inverted commas. In the above sentence, he said to me is the reporting speech. He said to me, or she said to me, it is the reporting speech, and I am going to home. It is the reported speech. Actually, for making the direct and indirect speech, we should know that what is the reporting speech and what is the reported speech. So she said to me, this is a reporting speech part, and the rest of the sentence which is under the inverted commas, so this is reported speech. You know what, after this lesson you guys will definitely thankful for me that I've taught such a great topic, and this will cover all the topics. Like, it is convenient for all the students who are in matric, who are in graduation, who are like doing inter. This topic is for all of those students. So just stay with me till the end. I make you sure that this topic is going to be quite interesting, and as well as you guys will definitely understood about each and every point. If there will be any question further, you can ask to me. I am here. I will definitely let you know at the end of this topic. I mean, I will let you know. You can do me a comment. I'll let you know over there. All right. So this is the reporting speech part, and this is the reported speech. Is it clear thing? This thing is clear? In conversation, we usually use indirect speech. This is the thing that this is written. She said to me, I am going to home. She said to me, I am going to home. This is direct speech. जबकि हम conversation में we always use indirect speech. How? She told me that she is going to home. हम जो है अपनी conversation में we always use indirect speech. We do not use direct and indirect speech. Direct speech का मतलब ये है कि उसने मुझसे कहा कि मैं घर जा रही हूँ, जबकि indirect का मतलब ये है कि हम वही बात जो किसी को बता रहे हैं कि उसने मुझसे कहा कि उसने मुझे बताया था कि वो जो है घर जा रही है. ये हमारा indirect speech होता है और हम जो नॉर्मल अपनी conversation में यही यूज करते हैं. The pattern of changing direct speech into indirect speech. There are some patterns that how to change the pronoun. The changing of pronoun. For making the direct into indirect speech, we need to change some of our pronouns as well. First person pronouns I and we change according to the subject of the reporting verb. What? The first person I and we, it will change according to the subject of the reporting verb. While second person you change according to the object of the reporting verb. Remember this thing, this is quite an important part, that we need to use I and we will convert these two subjects, we will convert these two pronouns into reporting verb. We will convert these I and we will convert this into the subject of the reporting verb, while we will change you according to the object of the reporting verb. Is it clear? जबकि third person pronouns he, she and it, and they. He, she, it, and they never change. They never change. Remember, like I and we, it will change according to the subject of the reporting verb. You will be changed according to the object of the reporting verb. That he, she, it, and they, it will never change. Is it clear about the changes of pronoun in the direct and indirect speech? So the next is changes of tenses. Change of tenses. If the reporting verb is in the present simple, present perfect, or future indefinite tense, the tense of the reported speech verb does not change. How? If the reporting verb is in the past tense, then the reporting speech verb change as under. Like if, for example, if the reporting verb is in the present simple में हो, प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट में हो या फिर फ्यूचर सिंपल में हो, तो फिर जो है रिपोर्टेड स्पीच के वर्ब नहीं चेंज होते. क्या नहीं चेंज होते? रिपोर्टेड स्पीच के वर्ब चेंज नहीं होते. लेकिन अगर रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब जो है पास्ट सिंपल में हो, अगर पास्ट सिंपल में हो तो फिर द रिपोर्टिंग स्पीच वर्ब चेंज एज अंडर. इट विल देन डेफिनेटली चेंज. For example, present simple change into past simple. Present progressive change into past progressive. Present perfect into past perfect. Present perfect progressive into past perfect progressive. Past simple change into past perfect. Past progressive change into past perfect progressive. Okay? Like we will change these when our reporting verb will be in the past tense. If the reporting verb is in the present simple, present perfect or future simple, then we will not do these changings. We will do these changings when we will be having past simple. Okay? I will let you know further in my exercise. I have made exercise as well. By that you will get clearly, you will get each and every point clearly. Okay, changes of time and places. Now it changes into then, today into that day, yesterday, the day before yesterday or the previous day, tomorrow, the next day or the following day, last week, the week before or the previous week, ago, before, this, that, these, those, here, there. Okay. Practice of changes of pronoun. Practice of change of pronouns. For convenience, we put the reporting verbs in present simple, present perfect, or future simple, so that we don't have to change the tenses of reported speech verbs. I'm just giving you an example over here. As I've told you before, that if we have the reporting verb into present simple, present perfect, or future simple, then we cannot convert, then we cannot change their words. How? As I have a sentence over here, I'll say I am a student. I'll say I am a student. So you can say over here, we can see I'll say I'm a student. I will say. What we will do, this is the direct speech, this is the indirect speech, and we are converting that into the, this is direct speech and we are converting into the indirect speech. I'll say I am a student. I will say, while we will remove comma from here and we will use that in replace of our comma. I will say that I will remain same, am a student. You must be thinking that why am will remain same am. Actually, as I've said, if the reporting verb, what is this? This is the part of the reporting verb and this is the part of the reported speech. As I said before, if this reporting verb will be in the present simple, future simple, or present perfect, then we cannot change their verbs. We can change this one, we can change this thing I, we can change our pronouns, but the thing is I remain into subject, I will change according to the subject. So we have here the already I. That is why I convert into I. I am a student. Just let's see the next one. Because this is future tense, this is the future tense, as I've said, like present simple, present perfect, or future simple. No tense changing. Only subject can be changed, but not tense can be changed. The same with the pronouns I of reported speech changes according to the subject of the reporting speech. Is it I? It is I, so it remains same. ये क्योंकि I है तो इसलिए ये same रहेगा. You have said, I will try. You have said, I will try. You have said that you will try. Now look at here and please be attentive with me and be careful. Just listen to me and keep watching me till the end. You have said, I will try. You have said, we will remove comma from here. You have said that. What is this? This is the present perfect. You have said, this is the present perfect tense. You have said, this is the present perfect tense. So as I said over here, if the reporting verb is in the present simple, future simple, or the present perfect, then we cannot change our verbs. So we will write the same thing like we have said, but we can change our pronouns as it is written over here. Like I will change according to our subject. I will change according to our subject. You. I will change according to the subject. You. You have said that you will try. We will not change will. Will remain same into will because we have here present perfect tense. Is it clear to all of you? Okay, good. Now moving further. This is the exercise 1 with the answers. Hopefully after this definitely you will understand what I'm actually talking about. Practice of change of first pronoun singular I according to the subject of the reporting verb. Practice of, here we are going to do the practice of subject I. यहाँ पर जो हम practice कर रहे हैं कि अपना हम जो pronoun we will use here I, कि I को हमने किस तरह से change करना है और यहाँ पे हमारे कौन से tense हैं. As the tenses of reporting verbs are present simple, present perfect, and future simple. There will be no changes in the tense of the reported speech verb. Again, I am repeating the same thing कि अगर हमारे पास ये reporting speech present simple में हो, future simple में हो या फिर present perfect में हो, तो फिर हमारी ये जो verb हैं, हमारे ये जो tense हैं, ये हमारे change नहीं होते, ये हमारे same रहेंगे. Only we can change our subjects. Our tense, our verb cannot be changed because our reporting speech is in the form of the present simple, present perfect, and future simple. So we will not change. Okay. So look at here. So the first one is, he will say, I am a student. He will say that he is a student. He will say, we used here that after removing comma. We omit comma from here and we use here that. I will change according to our subject he. That is why we used here he. He will say that he is a student. We did not change our verb from here. You must be thinking that here it was am and it was is, but Miss was saying that we will not change any verb. But the thing is, we are using is because we have here he. With he, we cannot put am at all. That is why we are using he is with he. He will say that he is a student. Okay, the next one is, she says to me, I can type well. She says to me, I can type well. One more thing which I want to tell to all of you. Says to converts into tells. Says to converts into tells. Said to converts into told. I will tell you about that further. Yeah, here for example, यहाँ पर हमारे देखिए, यहाँ पे says to था, तो says to जो हमारा convert हो जाता है tells में, जबकि will से ही रहता है, से ही, says भी. लेकिन said to भी अगर आ जाता है, said to भी convert हो जाता है हमारा told में, और says to भी हमारा convert हो जाता है tells में. Okay? So she says to me, I can type well. She tells me That. We removed a comma from here and we use here that. She tells me that I will change according to our subject. She can type well. Okay. You say I have read the book. You say I have read the book. We removed comma from here and we'll remove inverted commas as well. You say that I have read the book. I हमारा किसके मुताबिक चेंज होगा? I हमारा चेंज हो जाएगा according to our subject. You है क्योंकि I will change according to the subject. You have read the book. Ali says I will learn driving soon. Ali says I will learn driving soon. Ali says I will learn driving soon. Ali says it is what? This is the present simple tense. Ali says that. We will remove comma from here and we used here is that. And I will change according to the subject because it is Ali. That is why we used here he. He will learn driving soon. You can see all of these here. I have not changed any of the tenses, but only I have changed the subject. He will learn driving soon. My friend says I'm doing exercises. My friend says that. My friend says that. I will change according to the subject. Subject is what? My friend. My friend can be he or can be she as well. It can be boy or it can be girl as well. That is why I use here he or she. That he is doing exercises. He is. We use here is because our here subject is she or he. She has said to me, I don't like maths. She has told me while making indirect speech. She has, we convert said to into told. Then me, after removing comma, we use here that. She has told me that I will change according to our subject. She does not like maths. What we use here? Like do. I हमने चेंज किया यहाँ पे अपने सब्जेक्ट में. हमारा सब्जेक्ट क्या है? शी है, तो यहाँ पर भी शी आ गया. बट डोंट था यहाँ पर, लेकिन हम यहाँ पे शी के साथ तो हम डोंट लगाते ही नहीं है, क्योंकि प्रेजेंट सिंपल में तो डोंट नहीं आता. शी आया, शी के साथ डू नहीं लगता. वी यूज डज विद शी. दैट इज वाई हमने यहाँ पे डज लगाया. शी डज नॉट लाइक मैथ्स. In the same way, he has said, I can help. So here he has said that I will change according to the subject. He can help. You all here you can see that these all are the present perfect, present simple and future simple. In all of these here, we don't, while making indirect speech, we don't change our words. We only change our subject as we have changed over here. Okay, clear? So should I move further now? Okay, let's move further. Exercise 2 with answers. Practice of change of first person plural pronoun we according to the subject of the reporting verb. As there we have practice about I, that where we need to change I. Here we are doing the practice that where we will change, how we will change we into what. They will say we are students. They will say we are students. So in the same way, here we have direct speech. Here we have reporting speech, all into present simple, past, present simple, present perfect, and future simple. They will say we are students. They will say that. They will say, we will remove comma from here, that we will change according to our subject. And subject is what? Subject is they. Subject is they. That is why I use here they are students. Are will remain same into are. We cannot change over here because we have here future simple. If it could be past simple, then we could change. But if it would be present simple, past simple, future simple, then we cannot change our words. I have repeated these things so many times. They say to me, we can type well. They say to me, the same say to will be converted into tell. They tell me, we'll remove comma from here and we will use that. They tell me that we will change according to our subject, and subject is they. They can type well. They can type well. You say, we have read the book. You say, we have read the book. You say that we will change according to our subject, you. Say that you have read the book. You have read the book. Ali and Hassan say we will learn driving soon. Ali and Hassan say that we will change according to our subject Ali and Hassan. Ali and Hassan because we have two names over here. It's not a singular name. Here we have two names and this is Ali and Hassan. That is why I used here they. I did not use here he because we do not have a single name. We have here two names. So that's why we use here they. They will learn driving soon. My friends say we are doing exercises. My friends say that comma will be changed into that. My friends say that we will change according to our subject. Subject is my friends. Subject is what? Subject is my friends, not only my friend. Because it was my friend, that is why I use here they. But if it could be like he, but if it would be here my friend only, so I could have used here he or she. But right now we have here the plural form, so that is why I use here they. They are doing exercises. My friends say that they are doing exercises. They have said to me we don't like maths. They have said to me we don't like maths. Said to convert into told. Said to will be convert into told. They have told me. Then we'll remove comma from here and then in replace of comma we'll put that over here. They told me that we will change according to our subject they. They don't like maths. We say we are always happy. We say that we will change according to our subject. We have already subject we, that is why we use the same we are always happy. So this is the exercise 2. It must be cleared each and every point. This is quite simple that we just use that we have changed we into subject. As I and we will change according to our subject. So now let's move towards exercise number 3. Yeah, this is exercise number 3 with their answers. Practice of change of second person pronoun you according to the object of the reporting word. Here we are going to do the practice of you, as we have already done the previous practice about I and we, and right now we are going to do the practice about you, that where to use it correctly. Derek Speed, he says to me, you are intelligent. He says to me, you are intelligent. The same way we have here our reporting speech into present simple, future simple and present perfect. Here the same, we cannot change our verbs. Our verbs will remain same. Only we are gonna change our pronouns. Alright? He says to me, you are intelligent. Says to will be converted into tells. He tells me that. Comma will be converted into that. He tells me that. You will change according to our object. Object, what is object over here? Object, now this is quite an important part. You need to give complete concentration to me, and then you can understand about it all easily. Like before, we change that according to our subject. I and we change according to the subject. But right now we will change you according to our object. And object is what? Object is me. Object is what? Object is me. As object we have here me. So me will be converted here with I. I am intelligent. He tells me that I am intelligent. You will change according to our object, and object is me. What is object? Object is me. And we need to change you according to our object. Tells me that I am an intelligent. She will say to her, you waste your time. She will say to her, you waste your time. Now look at here, give me a complete concentration. She will say to her, she will tell her, comma will be converted to that. She will tell her that. You will be changed according to what? Object. Object is what? Object is her. Please मुझे listen. यहाँ पे जो her है, her क्या है? Object है. ये हमारा सब्जेक्ट है एंड दिस इज व्हाट, दिस इज अवर ऑब्जेक्ट, और हमने यू को जो अपने ऑब्जेक्ट में कन्वर्ट करना है, ठीक है। सो यू ऑब्जेक्ट में जब हम कन्वर्ट करेंगे तो हम हर तो यहाँ नहीं लिखेंगे हर वेस्ट हर टाइम, हर यहाँ पे कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा शी में, सब्जेक्ट बन जाएगा ये, शी वेस्ट, ये वाला हमारा, ये भी हमारा कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा, शी वेस्ट हर टाइम, योर विल बी कन्वर्टेड इनटू हर टाइम, she will say to her, you waste your time, she tells, sorry, I think I have forgot to put here s over here, but here we will use s. She tells her that she wastes her time. He has said to us, you have done well. He has said to us, this is also present perfect, so that is why we are not gonna change our verbs, we will only change our pronouns, and pronoun is what, pronoun we have here you. So you will change according to our object, and object is what, object is us, us will convert into we. He has told, and said to will be converted into told. He has told us that we have done well. you हमारा चेंज हो गया us में, us का सब्जेक्ट क्या है we, that is why we use here we. हम यहाँ पे us तो नहीं लिखेंगे, इसका हमने सब्जेक्ट लिखना है, us हम यहाँ पे डायरेक्ट नहीं लिख सकते, us का जो सब्जेक्ट होगा we है, so हमने वो यहाँ पर we लिखना है. He has told us that we have done well. They say to us, you are not working hard. They say to us, say to convert into tell. They tell us, comma will remove, convert it into that. They say, they tell us that you, the same you will convert into object. Object क्या है, us है, us हम यहाँ पे क्या लिखेंगे, we लिखेंगे. We are not working hard. My friend says to my brother, you may join the army. My friend tells my brother that, comma will be removed, converted into that. You will be converted into object. Object is what, object is my brother. Object is what here, object is my brother, so we will use here he. That my brother may join the army, or we can also say that he may join the army. He says to my parents, you are very nice. Says to will be converted into tells. He tells my parents that it is compulsory to use that every sentence while making indirect speech. It is very compulsory to use that. While removing comma, we need to use that. He tells my parents that you will change into object. Parents like that, they are very nice. He says to my sister, you look smart. He says to will be converted into tells. He tells my sister that you will change according to our object. Object is what? Object is my sister. That she looks smart. That she looks smart. Hopefully, exercise number 3 must be clear, that how I have told to you that we will change according to our object. We are done, even we have done the practice as well over here by using different sentences, like how we have used, how we have changed you will change according to our object, while I and we change according to our subject. We have done these practices. Okay, so now let's move towards exercise number 4. Let's see what is over there. Exercise number 4 with answers. Practice of change of preparatory speech verb when the reporting verb is in the past tense. Third person pronoun he, she, it, and they never change. Okay. In last exercise number 1, 2, and 3, we have learned. There we have these into present simple, present perfect, and future simple. But right now in this exercise number 4, we have these reporting speech in past simple. We have here all of these reporting speech into past simple. You said to me, she said to us, he said to them, my friend said, they said, she said, she said. We have here all into past simple. And what we do when we have these reporting speech into past simple, at that time what we do is, we complete change our sentence. Okay, he, she, it, like if we have pronoun he, she, it, and they, it will never change. But if we have pronoun I, we, or you, it will definitely change. But if we have these pronouns, then these can't be changed. Okay, now let's move towards the number one. You said to me he is wasting his time. Said to will be converted into told. Say is converted into tells. I have told you before. You said to me he is wasting his time. Said to will be converted into told. You told me, comma will be removed and we will use here that. You told me that. He will remain same he. He will remain same into he. Because I said here that he, she, it and they never change. So he remains same. He was wasting his time. Here we had is, but here we used was. We have changed here verb. Why? Because we have here reporting verb into the past simple. We have here the reporting verb into the past simple. That is why we have changed here like past. We have changed our verbs. I have said before, like present simple change into past simple change, present simple change into past simple, present progressive change into past progressive, present perfect change into past perfect, present perfect progressive change into past perfect progressive. While past simple converts into past perfect and past progressive convert into past perfect progressive. So the same pattern we are going to apply over here, because we have here the reporting verb into the past simple tense. Okay, you said to me he is wasting his time. He told me that he was wasting his time. The next one is, she said to us they do not work hard. She told us that, we'll remove comma from here. She told us that they will remain same into they, because as I've said here, he, she, it and they, it never change. She told us that they do not convert into did not. Why? Because it is present simple. Present simple will be converted into past simple. They did not work hard. He said to them, it is getting late. Said to will be converted into told. He told them. Comma will be removed from here. He told them that. It will remain same into it. So he said to them, it is getting late. Said to will be converted into told. He told them, and we will use here that. He told them that it was getting late. We use here was because we have here present progressive will be changed into past progressive. That it was getting late and it will remain same into it. My friend said she can do it. My friend said she can do it. My friend said that. My friend said that. Comma we will remove and we'll use here that. She will remain same into she. Can will be converted into could. She could do it. That she could do it. Can will be converted into could. Will be converted into would. May will be converted into might. So as we have here, she can do it, that she could do it. They said he has done a great job. They said he has done a great job. They said that he will remain same, because I told you before, he, she, it and they, it never changed. So it will remain same he. Has, it is present perfect, it will convert into past perfect. That he had done a great job. She said she made a big mistake. She said that she will remain same into she, because he, she, it, they never change. It is past simple. She made a big mistake. It is a past simple. So past simple converts into past perfect. She made a big mistake will be converted into she had made a big mistake. She said that she had made a big mistake, and in past perfect we use had and made. The next one is she said she has been learning Japanese for some time. She said that while converted into indirect speech. She said that she will remain same into she. Has been will be converted into had been. Has been will be converted into had been. Why? Because this is the present perfect progressive, and we are gonna change this into past perfect progressive. As I told you before in my pattern, that we change present perfect progressive into past perfect progressive. She has been learning Japanese for some time. She had been learning Japanese for some time. She will remain same into she. Okay, so hopefully exercise number 4 must be clear. I am 100% sure that it must be clear. Now let's move towards exercise number 5 with their answer. This is the last. Okay, let's get started. Practice of change pronouns, tense, and time and place and expression at the same time. She said to me, I'm going to call it. And we are using here the different pronouns and the different forms of verb. So as I've already done the so many practice over there, so right now we're just going to have a little test and just need to give me a quick reply about all of these. She said to me, I'm going to call it. She said to will be converted into told. She told me and comma will be converted. Said to will be converted into told. She told me that I will be converted into we will change according to our subject. This is the same thing which I'm gonna like let you know again. I will change according to our subject. She said to me, she told me that she was going to college. We have a change here pronoun and as well as we have changed here verb as well, because we have here the reporting verb into the past simple. When we have, remember this thing, that when we have reporting verb into the past simple, then we can definitely change our verb, as we have changed here our verb and we will change into was, and because it was I, that is why I we have changed here into she. She told me that she was going to college. They said to us, you do not take interest in it. Said to will be converted into told. They told us that we will change according to our object we. You do not take interest in it because it is the present simple, so it will change into the past simple. You do not take interest. You will change. We will change into according to our object. We did not take interest in it. This is present simple. It has been changed into past simple. He said to my mother, you cook very well. He told my mother that comma will be converted to that. You we will change according to our object. My mother, it converts into she. She, and this is the present simple. That is why we have used here past simple, that she cooked very well. He will say, I can do it easily. He will say that we will change according to our subject. That is why we have used it he. He can do it easily because this was the future simple. That is why we have here can into remain can. Not we did not change can into could. They said it takes 2 years to learn music. They said that this is present simple. That is why we will use here past simple. We said that it took 2 years to learn music. We said to them, you have not written good essays. We told them, said to will be converted into told. We told them that we will change according to our object they. That they have not, we have changed into had not, because present perfect into past perfect. That they had not written good essays. They said to my brother, you took a wrong decision. They said to will be converted into told. They told my brother, you will change according to our object, and object is our, we have brother, and brother is he. So we have used here pronoun he. This is the past simple. You took a wrong decision. So he, past simple, as I've told before, that past simple will be changed into the present, into the past perfect. He had taken a wrong decision. Hopefully, I am 100% sure that this lesson is very clear, and all the students of metric, of inter and graduation students, all are must be quite will be happy after watching this video. I'm very I will be very glad if you all will further do comment me these sentences, and I will let you know. If you have any still questions, you can ask to me. And one more thing, if you have liked this video, and I'm sure that you must have liked this video, so please, if you have liked it, then so don't forget to share, subscribe, and press the bell icon as well for further getting the notification for my next videos. Okay, so till then, take care. Allah Hafiz. Allah Hafiz. Keep learning. Happy learning.